y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Marissa Explains It All. Today I am showing you how to make these really cool, easy, exploding gift boxes. So Valentine's Day is coming up and I'm always looking for something easy to make for friends and family, and these are super easy and cost effective. They're perfect for gift giving, and they can also be tailored to any gift, not just Valentine's Day. So stay tuned and I'll be right back. So here are a few boxes that I picked up from Walmart. They are super cute for Valentine's Day. The larger ones are $3.98 and the smaller ones are $2.24. And so if you wanted to do them standalone, you certainly can, or you can actually nest them, which is what I'm going to do for some friends. So if you pull off the top, of course, you can nest the little one inside. And if you find a bigger box, you can even do another layer of nesting. And so in the inside of each one of these, I'm putting a big Hershey Kiss, and those were about $1.25, I think. And so it makes the perfect centerpiece just to hold inside. And then you'll also need some candy to put all around the edges of your boxes. So that is generally what I'm using. For tools, I'm using an X-Acto knife and then also some double stick tape to hold everything together. So let's start with a smaller box and just use a nice sharp blade on your X-Acto knife and carefully cut a straight line all the way down right in the corner. So I tried to go as straight as I could and just sort of use a sawing motion straight down. It may have a little bit of paper shred, so just kind of clean that away. And then of course repeat on all four sides. And then your box, when you flip it out, should look like this. And so go ahead and take some candy and put some double-sided stick tape on the back and place your candy around the edges of the box. And so I used 2 pieces per side for the smaller boxes for a total of 8 pieces of candy. And then the larger boxes, a little bit more that I'll show you in a minute. So once I was all done placing my candy all around the edges, I then took my giant Hershey Kiss and did the same thing where I just double-sided stick taped it right down in the middle. And then later I added some lottery tickets as well, just to have a little extra something fun. You can get creative with what you put in there, but this is what it looks like when it's all done, and you really can't tell that the sides were cut, and it looks awesome. So I am repeating the same steps for the larger box just by cutting down all 4 sides of the larger box, and then I'm going to actually tape the smaller box inside first. So I'm going to do that, and then after I've secured that with my double-sided stick tape, I'm going to go ahead and add my candy to the sides of the large box. So this, I actually was able to do 4 pieces of candy for sides when it was like the Twix, like thin pieces, and then 3 pieces for the like Snickers and stuff. So that's what it looks like when the first layer is taken out, and when the second layer is open. It looks super cool when it explodes and the gift is inside. So I loved how these came out. So that is everything. As you can see, it took about 5 minutes or less to put each one together, and I'm really excited to hand them out at Valentine's. Let me know if you have questions in the box below. Happy to answer. Otherwise, I'll see you next time for the next DIY. Bye guys.